welcome to another video. I have a celebrity here. I don't know if you guys have heard of Keenan and Kel. Right, we've got Keenan right here, bro. How you doing? He hasn't got the American accent, he's got the UK accent, he's a UK brother. So guys, come on. If you know Keenan and Kel, you know that this dude, you gotta vote him, you gotta drop me a message. Does he not look like Keenan? Where's your soda, bro? Sick guy, bro. How you doing? Okay, so this video we're doing about his car. He's our regular client, very particular, very smart guy, but he's very, very particular. So in the background, you can see an S3. Nah, I got you there. It's not S3. It's not S3. It's actually an A3 1.4 turbo. The dude found us online, didn't you, Kev? Right, Kev. Ah, killing you. You found us online, bro, and you knew this was the place to be. Yeah. So let me go through the journey with you. So he bought the rear diffuser, and he had a premium rear section done. Now, if you look at the premium section from here, now looking at that car, you think automatic's an S3, right? But it actually isn't. So we designed him a premium rear section, and one of the tips, because they're pre-made tips, by the way, okay, unless we're customing the tips for you, one of the tips was slightly angled out. Is that not right? Right? And it bothered you, didn't it? It bothered. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And when you came back, honestly, tell the viewers, what did I say to you?
You got it sorted.
Straight away.
Yeah, it's got it sorted within an hour.
Yeah, because of why? I said, I'm not going to let you, what? Go through that in your mind, because if you feel as if, it's not going to happen. And ever since he's been loyal to us, you know, honestly, he's been absolutely loyal to us. So we fixed that issue, and anyway, he looks great, amazing. Now, he come back with another one. He said, Madge, well, I wasn't here, right? And he turned up and he said to Lee, he goes, a nipper as in, stroke nipper. He goes, it's not loud enough. But he wanted it very subtle. So, and they were about to destroy that beautiful work of art on the back because he doesn't like the box, because it hangs around down a bit much. I said, look, calm yourself down, let's not do that. So what we've gone for is a DECAT on the car. So now it has a DECAT, so we're recommending him a DECAT, and has it, I mean, you've heard it start.
It's improved it by about 30-40%.
30-40%.
Perfect.
Is it perfect for you? So
what do you call them, cracks and
you like it?
And stuff like that?
You like it? You like it? Okay, and not to forget, in relationship with all of that comes our custom tuning from our sister company RTMG Performance, which we're only going to recommend. I believe they're one of the world's best in bag tuning for the 1.4 side. If you guys check them out, RTMG Performance, not only in Greece, that's where they're formed, but also in the UK. They're underneath the DKU umbrella right here, and they have the fastest 8.8 second Ibiza in the world. Guys, check them out. The links here on the bottom. RTMG Performance, 8.8 second front wheel drive Ibiza, the fastest. And after this video, if you guys have already seen this video before or after, moving on from there, so guys, 8.8 seconds, guys, check them out. That underneath, that we're here at DKU Performance, as under, you know, all here RTMG Performance is now. Moving on from there, guys, check them out in the next 4 weeks. They're coming over here in the Ibiza, and they want to take it all. They want to take it all. So if somebody, you definitely got to check them out. RTMG Performance. If you go online on their website, you'll see every single VAG component, everything. Turbos upgraded, clutches upgraded, intake systems, they're always here. Now, about the A3, the 1.4, and about the TFSI in the background, it's having a carbon intake from us next week. Yes, yeah. So RTMG carbon intake, guys, absolutely amazing. We'll actually put that picture of that in this video also. Also moving from there, you've had a custom tune stage 2 today, right? Yeah, stage 2, right, okay, he's going to be revised next week, just slightly fractionally to accommodate for the intake. So RTMG intake, RTMG custom tune, DKU 2.5 inch DECAT downpipe, and a full custom exhaust system, guys. Now let's go to let's check out what we've done. So come over here. So as you can tell, guys, you've had the S3 rear look, custom rear silencer. Moving on to there, we've moved on from there to 2.5 inch exhaust system, all the way through from our DECAT downpipe right on the front. Perfect, beautiful, amazing. That's what we're talking about, guys. Guys, check out the rest of our videos, please, online. Make sure to do that. Give us a like and share on this one. Press that bell button. I do believe right now that we're one of the biggest content producers for exhaust systems. We started a fair few years ago, and you had a little clips from us, but generally most of our clients come here because they see us on YouTube and on the Instagram platform. So guys, give us a like, give us a share. Please subscribe to our channel also. I will hopefully see you in the next video, but also make sure you click onto our RTMG site. If you own a van, it's the place to be, guys. See you in the next video, man.